Penny Jane Love here. Today we're going to have a wig chat about the Halo Bob by Rene of Paris in the color Marble Brown. Okay guys, I've already changed it up a little and added some bangs to this piece. I wanted to just touch on briefly how I didn't even know what a halo was until I think a month or two ago, which is another example of some of the struggles that I have had with learning about wigs and hair pieces and all of those kind of things. You know, I don't live in the middle of nowhere. I'm in Virginia. I'm 2 hours from the Washington, D.C. area, Northern Virginia. I'm 2 hours from the beach area, and you know, I don't live in an area that's rural or anything, but we don't have any wig stores really around here, at least none that I have been able to find. And when you don't know anything about wigs, I don't know, my gut told me I needed to go to a store and try them on. Now, here's the thing. I could have wore toppers for years, and I never even knew that toppers existed, and I should have. It's, you know, even now I found out about this halo online. I didn't find out about it from any local business or anything. And it's so aggravating to me, and that's one of the reasons why I started my channel, is because, you know, I have to do so much research just to find out information that I feel like should be readily available to people who are going through hair loss. And maybe I just didn't go to the right channels and I still haven't found them, but it's really hard sometimes to get into the wig world, to learn about wigs, to be able to try on wigs before you actually purchase them, and to learn about different solutions to problems like alopecia, where I have androgenic alopecia and just had balding at top. And I could have worn a topper for years before I actually lost all the hair on the top of my head. But I never even knew about them. And I certainly didn't know about these halos. But I hike a lot and I work out. I'm going to work out again, I hope, after the pandemic ends. But it's always a dilemma for me on, do I wear a wig or not, or do I just wear a hat? And I have had a hat where that had the hair kind of sewed into it on just the sides, but I didn't really love it. I didn't love how it looked on me. So with the weather starting to get warmer, me wanting to start hiking again and to working out outside again, I decided to start looking into some other possible solutions, and the Halo Bob is what I found, and I absolutely love it. Okay, let me give you some details about the Halo Bob. So the Rene of Paris line is made by the company, the Adirond's Hair Goods. And at the Rene of Paris website, what they say about the Halo Bob, now I saw in two different places, I saw that the Halo Bob is a part of the Rene of Paris high fashion collection. And I also saw in another place where the Halo Bob was a part of the top pieces collection. So I'm not exactly sure which is the accurate one there, or if they're both accurate. Maybe they are. But this is what the Rene of Paris website gave as a description for the Halo Bob. They said, this is a straight hair enhancer that is refreshingly original. That is a refreshingly original halo hairpiece, complete with chin-length layers and a detachable fringe. As you can see here, I added those bangs. It can be worn under a hat or turban to complement any outfit. The Halo Bob is worn from the crown to the nape and is a comfortable fit with a natural look that's both fashionable and, oh wait a minute, can't read my own writing. Fashionable and comfortable. Okay, this is what the Halo Bob looks like. I'm going to show you all around. And when I show you the cap, I will have it off of my head so that I can show you how it looks on the inside and everything. But basically, it's a wig that has this part cut out, is what it is. Basically, it has the inside is a regular normal wig cap. It is a machine made wig cap. And it has earpieces that have the bendable tabs in them that you can kind of cinch in to keep it close to your head. It does have this detachable fringe. Now, this is super long. Like, I don't know who would need bangs this long. I have a high forehead and I have to place, when I had them on earlier, I placed them that far back, but it does have Velcro on it, so you can see. And it goes right there. Now, I like the bangs. I like how it looks with the bangs. I'm going to have to get these bangs cut so that I can actually put the Velcro piece there where it should go. Okay, now, as far as the fibers are the normal synthetic hair fibers. They are not heat friendly. And, you know, they feel like normal synthetic Rene of Paris fibers. They're very soft, very, very soft. The piece is pretty light. The density is light in density, but it's not as light as you would think. Like, I feel like I've had some wigs that have actually had a little less hair on the sides. So even though it is light in density and there is no permatease, it's a good amount of hair. I wouldn't call it a moderate amount. I would still say it's light as far as density goes, but it is on the heavier side of light, meaning that it has, you know, it has a decent amount of hair, I think, on the sides. You know, it's not too thin. I think it's the perfect amount. Now, it only weighs 2.9 ounces. Again, it is super light. That's part of the point, is it's supposed to be light and it's supposed to be cool so that you can wear it working out or hiking or anything, or going to an outdoors event where, you know, in the summertime, if I wear a full wig and I have to put glue on it and I sweat, that glue is going to become unstuck because it is water soluble. So this is a great solution to that, especially if you're going like to an outside concert or something, and you want to have hair, but you want to be comfortable and cool because it's a day of fun. I love this piece. It's so comfortable. I think it's just a really great solution to the problems that I've had in the past about what do I do? I'm going outside, I'm going to work out. Do I wear a wig or not? So again, it only weighs 2.9 ounces and it's very cool. And the cap does have wefts that are open. So, you know, all in all, it's just a super nice, cool piece that's comfortable and that allows you to kind of enjoy your day outside in the warmth or cold with a nice warm hat on, and be comfortable while you're doing it. So, you know, I don't know that I have a full cap wig that's much more comfortable than this piece is. Okay guys, these bangs, or the fringe, is about 5 inches and the nape is about 10 to 10.5 inches. Okay guys, I wanted to let you see it with me not wearing it. Again, it has these detachable bangs. The bangs are pretty long. I want to say they're probably about 6 inches. And then it's 10 inches to the nape. All right, and you see here you can take the bangs off and they have Velcro on them. And you can just put them on that Velcro strip right there. All right, let me show you the cap. Again, it's just a normal wig cap with the top cut off. And here's what it looks like. It has the hook like adjusters in the back. It does not have an extended nape, but the extended nape is covered in like a velour cover. It has the normal ear tabs that you find in most standard machine-made caps, and it has some velour covering on that. It has open wefting, and I do see some crimped hairs in there, so I do think it has the smallest amount of permatease on the side, I'm assuming just to give it a little bit of volume. And then for the top here, it's just this band. And then it has this piece here that sits right at your hairline. It's super comfortable, super light, super cool. I'll show you again this way. And I'll show you one more time on the head with the bangs. Let's get that straight. Okay, all in all, it's just, I love this piece. It's such a great solution to my dilemmas of what do I wear when I go hiking and when I work out. Okay guys, I think it's easier to show you like this. So this is marble brown, and it is a blend of really 4 different colors. They are not uniformly blended. They are not evenly blended. There are different amounts of each color. And the 4 colors that you're going to see in it is it is not rooted, and then you're going to see a blend of medium golden brown, light caramel brown, and light ash brown. And then you're going to have some golden blonde highlights. There's no red to this at all. It's definitely a brown brunette piece. I don't see any red in it at all when I look at it. Okay, let's talk about styling next. Okay, let's talk about styling Halo Bob. So I was able to get my glasses in and back out with no problem at all. The glass stems fit in there just fine, right under the hat and behind those ear tabs. So you can wear several different hats with it. So I'm going to show you some different hats that I happen to have. I just love this look. I think it's so cute and, I don't know, classy and just adorable. All right, so this is one bonnet that I have that I think is really cute with it. Okay, I wanted to let you guys know that I think the Halo Bob would suit most face shapes. Definitely diamond, heart, oblong, oval, and round. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for joining in this wig chat with me. I hope that you found the information useful. I did want to let you know that I have 7 new wigs to do wig chats on, and I will be uploading one on Sunday on the new Belle Tress. I want to make sure I say it right. It's the Dalgona. Dalgona wig. I have it in sumptuous strawberry, beautiful red color, and I will be uploading that video on Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying well, and I will see you in the next video.